Nice. See, whenever I see you, you're always full of life, very vibrant, and Hamesha there is a smile on your face. You're very relaxed and happy. But I'm sure there must have been times when you must have gone through your own difficulties, your apprehensions, your anxieties. So, would you like to share any particular part of your journey which was a little difficult for you?
Though I look very happy and very
I know.
this outside, and a lot of people also have this thing कि यार हाँ मतलब ये स्कूल में गाता था, उसको अवार्ड्स प्राइजेस मिलते थे, एंड इट वाज वेरी, पता ही था यार तू हो जाएगा, बट
मिलना
इट
ही
वाज
है.
नॉट. हाँ होना ही है, कभी ना कभी तो होता ही था, विच इज अ गुड थिंग. बीइंग माय फ्रेंड्स, दे वर thinking good about me and all that, but there was a time in my life where actually I didn't know uh, you know what to do, because I was
Okay.
actually, ma'am, very much interested. I don't know how many of you all know this, but I was very much interested in playing cricket.
Yes.
So I wanted to be a cricketer also. There was a phase in my life when I wanted to be a cricketer. You know, तो ऐसे हो गया था कि I was doing a lot of things and I didn't know. And my dad was like, what are you doing? You have to concentrate in one thing and you need to do something. Then only you will be kind of good. Then you have to be the best in one thing rather than being good in
So
each
many
and
things.
everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. So तब मैंने decide किया कि okay, I'm taking music, and somehow music was there, though it was not my. I always used to feel that नहीं यार सुबह सुबह उठ के वो रियाज करना was, I was very lazy. Still now also I'm lazy, but but still वो एक रियाज करना, I was very much into physical activity. बहुत पसंद था मुझे. Go play
अच्छा.
cricket, gym करना वैसे तो पसंद था, लेकिन ऐसे एक जगह बैठ के, as I told you, I was very impulsive. मुझे सब फटाफट 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 होना चाहिए. So वो music is
Right.
like a process which takes a lot of time. वो खत्म ही
Hmm.
नहीं होता है. It मैं शायद से मरने तक उसका learning खत्म नहीं होगा. So it is like that. So what I did was, as you asked me about the sacrifices or difficulties, I left Bombay just for
अच्छा.
music. I left Mumbai. I went to Chennai, and I didn't know what to do, ma'am. To be very honest, I didn't. I wanted to do music, but मुझे क्या करना है? There were no godfathers as such in the industry कि चलो ठीक है, मैं गाता हूँ
हाँ.
यार, थोड़ा एज के बाद, maybe my if my father was a music director or a producer or director, something like that, मुझे तो होना ही है films में. So it was not something like that. So I didn't know what to do. So I left Mumbai, because I know that Mumbai में, if I'm in Mumbai, I won't be able to learn because there are a lot of distractions around. So many
Temptations.
friends. बाहर खेलने जाओ, ये करो. So I was never able to learn here, to be very honest. Let me tell you very honestly this thing. मैंने actually ये
Okay.
किसी को बोला ही नहीं है. So I'm just telling it to you. I was in Mumbai, and it was not easy for me to learn because this needed lot of time of your
Dedication.
own, dedication, and एक self examination करना बहुत ज़रूरी है इसमें कि क्या था, अब क्या है, are you improving, and that needs lot of time with yourself, in this
To go inward.
process.
You mean to say the
Yeah,
inward
yeah,
journey?
yeah, yeah. And that in Mumbai it was a little difficult for me because of a lot of these distractions. So I left Bombay. I went to Chennai, and I was staying with my cousin brother there. He was also, we both were basically struggling, musicians.
Okay.
So what I did was ma'am, zero. We both knew zero about it. How to go about it, कुछ idea नहीं था.
That
तो
is
मैंने
Mr.
कहा,
Govind Chetan, you say. Uh,
yeah. Govind. So
okay.
what I did was I recorded my voice in a CD, and I used to randomly go to the music director's place, and मैं वहाँ पे रुकता था. And I used to feel कि आज या कल तो maybe वो ले लेगा. And because of
So you would wait
Govind
there.
Chetan, yeah,
You would
you
wait
directly
there.
go. Yeah, you directly go to their place, maybe wait there, or maybe through उनका sound engineer say friendship करके, all
हाँ.
maybe you become friends. because they also see
यानी
you
अपना
like,
पीआर खुद किया, अपना
खुद
पीआर
खुद
खुद किया.
खुद खुद
ओके.
खुद. You know, it is very necessary being a musician. You know, it is not something that घर बैठे you can learn, but this thing teaches you a lot of other things also. Like there are a lot of people who won't be like, for example, I like a process, but that person won't like that process. तो उनके साथ भी,
हाँ.
but we have to collaborate, we have to work with those people also. So ये सब के साथ मिलजुल के करना is a different learning in itself. You know, उनके साथ communicate करना,
True.
उनके साथ, so it's a different learning in itself. So ये सब difficulties मैंने बहुत face किया. You know, I was like कि नहीं यार, मुझे ये करना है तो यही करना है, नहीं ऐसे नहीं चलेगा, करना है तो यही करना है. अगर मैं सोच के बैठूं तो शायद से मैं ऐसे हो जाऊंगा और वो लोग और किसी को लेते रहेंगे. सो आई हैव टू adapt, you know, in all the situations. And also I started thinking from their point of view also. So all these difficulties I faced in Chennai, and not me myself, my brother also. And because of him, because he knew a lot of music directors, sound engineers, it was little easy for me. Not that easy as such, but still comparatively it was. Agar you know, I would like to share one experience with you.
Sure, sure.
Am I taking a lot of time? No, it's okay, right?
No, no,
I'm
no.
like,
Let's
yeah.
go.
So there was this. I won't take names and all. So there was this music director, a very famous music director, and he heard my voice, my demo, and he called me. Okay, he called me, and I went there. Or I was sitting. I was sitting there from maybe, I think, morning 9:30 or 10 a.m. I was there. लंच का टाइम हो गया. लंच खाए वो लोग, मैं बैठा हूँ एक सीट में. आई एम लाइक सिटिंग. आफ्टरनून पूरा हो गया, and I was supposed to record something for him. You know, he called me for a recording. Like, you know, दोपहर हो गया, 6-7 बज गए रात के, and I'm sitting in that place itself. And ये बंदा, मतलब he is not even asking
Technology.
me कुछ, I mean, not even asking खाना खाया, कुछ नहीं. He didn't ask me anything, and I was just sitting, and he was like, हाँ करेंगे, हाँ. He was like, हाँ करेंगे. हाँ, yes sir, no problem. I was just saying, no problem sir, we'll do it. ठीक है. And उसके बाद, you won't believe, ma'am, I think around 2 a.m. or the next day, early morning, 2 a.m., 3 a.m., he told me, चलो अभी we'll do some other day. Because he was already recording someone else, and he was working in some other tune. और ये सब मैं बैठ के basically मैं देख रहा था. I was watching him, I was experiencing. That is also an experience, right? Ki how he works.
True.
And he was doing some other
Patience.
song only. Yeah, patience. Then what happened was, I was like, अरे कुछ हुआ नहीं, कुछ नहीं. Then I went back home in the sense, Govind Chettan's place. He called Govind Chetta, and he told him like, ये लड़का कुछ बनेगा. You know, उसमें वो hunger
Oh.
है. I had that.
Yes.
See, I didn't utter a word at that time. You know, I अंदर, like, inside बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा था. Like, you know, ये क्या बन रहा है? Like, it was like that for
You
me. Like,
contained your anger.
yeah, because एक पेशेंस लेवल होता है, you know, ठीक है, भूख लगा है, सब, everything is happening together. But now this person has called me, and this is an opportunity that I've got. और मैं ये opportunity ऐसे ही भूख लग रहा है सोच के, I can't, like, you know, sir, it's okay sir, I don't want, I can't think like that and just leave that place. It puts a bad impression also. And he's a senior guy. He's a senior,
Correct.
very famous music director. So basically what he was doing was he was testing me. So
Patience
I
and
was,
perseverance.
yeah. So he wanted to
Both.
know how much badly I wanted that song. So,
True.
and then he called me another day, and we did that song. So it was an experience, you know. So all these people are greats due to some reason. You know, that's why even if people talk anything bad about some person, you know, अरे नहीं यार, ये तो ऐसा है, ये तो ऐसा है. I never talk bad about
Right.
anyone, because I know they are they are legends and they are something because they have something in them. And that
True.
was a big lesson. And तो ऐसे बहुत सब difficulties थोड़ा face करना पड़ा start में.
So you're talking about learning to be non-judgmental, accepting people as they are, having patience, perseverance, and most important, if you're passionate about something, you need to have that hunger to succeed. If you have that
Absolutely.
hunger to succeed,
Absolutely.
definitely you will reach, and that's what you have proved. So I'm so proud of you. You are an inspiration to all the people who are watching. कि कोई भी चीज अगर आपको चाहिए, again I want to say this dialogue, and please you can act with me like
और
शाहरुख खान. हम लोग पास नहीं है फिर भी हम
पूरी
वो स्टाइल दे सकते हैं. सिद्धू प्लीज हाथ ऐसे
पूरी
आगे करो, हमको मुझे वो डायलॉग बोलना है.
go for it.
वो बोलते मुझे लगी है, बोलते हैं ना, तो मुझे लगी है बोलने के लिए कि अगर किसी चीज को तहे दिल से चाहो,
शिद्दत से
you
चाहो,
can just spread your hands, यार. Let's open our hands to
पूरी
abundance.
शिद्दत से चाहो तो पूरी
पूरी
कायनात क्या.
कायनात तुम्हें उसे मिलाने में जुटी रहती है. So that's exactly
That's
what
great.
you did, like, law of attraction. And even this interview is law of attraction. So when I started Zindagi Ka Parcha Chai Pe Charcha, I had wanted to bring you here, and it just happened. That's it.
Thank you, ma'am. It's a pleasure. Like, I never
Yeah.
expected this day will come. Like, I'm talking to you, you are interviewing me, it's a big thing. And I'm very happy that it's not in the classroom with a lot of students around. I'm like, okay.
That's the beauty of technology. Okay, so I'm very curious to know which is that song that he recorded, because इतना 2 बजे तक बिठा के रखा, उसके बाद जो आया
नहीं
होगा
मैम, वो
डेफिनेटली.
प्रॉब्लम है कि वो गाना अगर मैं गा लूँ तो शायद से वो बहुत
ओके
साउथ
ओके
लोगों को
ओके.
पता चल जाएगा कौन सा म्यूजिक
कौन
डायरेक्टर
था?
है. So, yeah.
But I'm sure it must have been a
I'll
hit.
call you later after this
ठीक है
live.
ठीक है ठीक है, चलेगा. So now
Yeah.
we have a lot of Vivians here. I'm seeing Viji ma'am. How are you? I'm really glad that because of Sidhu I can meet many of them, and I'm sure your fans are as well. There are a lot of love, being sent there. So which song would you like to dedicate to all the Vivians? Suresh Nair sir is watching. Principal Vijeta is watching. She's a degree college principal. I think you were not there at that time. In your time, who was the Nandita teacher was the principal?
Yeah, the second half, yeah, I think. नहीं, उनसे भी
अच्छा.
पहले
सर मंत्री सर
मंत्री सर ने तभी
sir
शायद से he just left.
left,
He was
and
for a while.
Nandita ma'am
And
came.
yeah, that
So
time.
Principal Vijeta is also a very beautiful person. Like, I mean, I just conducted 2 sessions for the teachers and the students, and it was awesome. So just as I told her that he's our ex-student, she doesn't even know you, but as soon as I told that she's our ex-student, she said, yes, definitely I'll be joining it. And Suresh sir, definitely, principal of Vivek Junior College and
Yes.
Vidyalaya. So
A
he's
big
also
hi,
joined,
a
and
big
many of the
hi
teachers
to
have.
everyone.
So एक गाना उनके लिए हो जाए.
उनके लिए which song should I sing? मेरे नैना सावन बादो, फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा, फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा. मेरे नैना सावन बादो, फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा, फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा. Yes. So basically, ma'am, I sang this song because ये गाना मैं स्कूल में गाया था. So suddenly I thought I should sing something that I sang in school. तो इसके लिए I don't remember the lyrics of the song, but just 2 lines for that.
Beautiful. There have been some requests. मुझे ऐसा रखा है ना, मूवार्ती चायुम.
Okay.
Is there in song?
Okay, so there's a lot of people who don't understand Hindi. So,
Malayalam.
because my friends, SM family people are also
Shrishti.
here. Namaskar. Yeah.
हाँ.
Hi, Srishti. Srishti is ma'am Shreya Ghoshal's. I think she's the one who handles her pages and all that, if I'm not wrong. So Muvandi Chayum is the song that I sang with Shreya ma'am.
Oh,
So
so
yeah,
maybe two
that's why.
lines of that for her.
Okay, I'll
Shrishti,
sing
this
it.
is specially for you.
Yeah, for you, Srishti. മൂവന്തിച്ചായും തീരം തേടി ദൂരെ തണലോരം പാദം തൊട്ടു മെല്ലെ നീയും അതിലേതോ മൗനം തേടുന്ന പോലെ ദരരരരരാ താരരരാ അറിയാതെന്നുള്ളിൽ സുഖമുള്ളൊരു നോവായി അങ്ങേതോ വിങ്ങൽ തേനോരേ. So yeah, I'm singing all these songs after a long time. Yeah, that's good.
Wow.
I don't remember the lyrics of the songs.
Which was your first professional singing event?
First professional singing. I think it should be after. I hope, ma'am, you know that I was in a reality show
Yes, yes, of course.
named X
X
Factor.
Factor.
X Factor,
X
yeah.
Factor.
So which was in
Yes.
Sony TV. So I think yeah, after that reality show, my band with my band Nirmiti, my first abroad show was in US, and my first abroad trip was in US. So I won't ever
Wow.
forget that. So I think that will be my first professional show.
So, did you get the jitters or the stage पे जाने का कुछ ऐसा, because it was first time in US that you are doing it, so कुछ डर लगा?
बिल्कुल आज भी अभी भी लगता है ऐसे लाइक वो डर अगर निकल जाएगा तो मैम प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. So I think
Yeah,
that डर keeps me alert. That डर I prepare for each and every show, ma'am. You won't believe this, but
yes, yes,
I'm someone who needs to prepare because ma'am, I used to do with my band before Thaikudam Bridge. So now I'm doing SM Live, Siddharth Menon Live.
okay,
I'm doing my show, like Siddharth Menon Live shows I do.
right,
So this thing actually happened because a lot of people started asking me. I used to get a lot of inquiries saying that, Siddharth, will you perform for like 3 hours? We need only you, but it should be a 3 hour show or 2 hour show. ठीक है.
okay,
So I was like, 2 hours यार मैं 2 घंटा सिर्फ गाते गाते रहूँ तो नहीं चलेगा. I have to interact with people, I have to talk with people. I have to make it an event, a proper
correct,
event. I can't just sing back to back songs and get done with it. So even after doing like thousands and thousands of shows, I was not sure about doing a 2 hour individual solo show because and that too in front of 40,000 50,000 people. So I was like, okay, now this is like a task. So so wo hamesha I try to grow as an artist. Even now, हर event में I kind of see कि वहाँ के लोग क्या पसंद करते हैं, and
yeah.
I
You do your
try to
best every time.
yeah, every time.
I am
So
I am reminded about Lata Mangeshkar also. Even if she has an event 1 month before she starts the preparation, she's like the icon, right? The ultimate in
definitely.
singing, I would say. But still, she prepares at least for 1 month. वो रियाज
Yes.
जो करते हैं वो बहुत जरूरी है. And about the fear part, I remember Amitabh Bachchan once saying, when somebody asked him this question, which I asked you, he said, you have butterflies in your stomach. But the important factor is how do you arrange those butterflies for flight? So convert
True.
your, even in public speaking, when I teach, I tell them, convert your nervousness into excitement. And it is that X factor which is going to make you a superstar. Because how do
Exactly.
you drive it for flight?
Very true, in fact. Because the day I don't prepare myself, वो दिखता है stage पर. And so
अच्छा.
basically, you can't बोलते ना कि there's no shortcuts. There's no shortcut to it. Okay, ठीक है तू कर रहा है, वो एक दिन वो तुझे वो मिल जाता है स्टेज से, I mean, maybe the event is successful, everything is fine, people loved it, but somewhere inside you get that feeling, यार
feeling.
I'm not doing रियाज, इसीलिए आज मुझे पता है कि मैं ठीक नहीं गाया, so you get that, so
I,
there
I,
is
I disagree. I disagree to this aspect. See, it is that belief which you have made. Well, if that belief is taking you higher, please stick to it and go ahead and give your best. But it is just a belief. For me, what happens is I used to do like this before, but I'm not a prepared person. I just can't, prepare. If you tell me to tell a speech also, I cannot even once practice that speech. I will just write down pointers and it has to come flawlessly. So for me, it is the reverse. Like, when I am when I'm just instantaneous, the best comes out because there is no time to think. So it's your soul that leads. It's your soul that leads. That's for me. That's my belief. So if your belief is working for you, go ahead. If my belief is working for me,
what I'm saying is that I don't prepare for each and everything. I need to prepare because I am little bad in talking Malayalam. I can read and write Malayalam, but I'm not that great in talking Malayalam compared to the people in Kerala. Definitely, I am good, but I'm not. ഞാനിപ്പോ ബെറ്റർ ആണ്, പക്ഷെ ഇത് നാട്ടിലത്തെ ആൾക്കാരുടെ വെച്ച് കമ്പയർ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ മലയാളം ദേ കൈൻഡ് ഓഫ് നോ ഇറ്റ് ലൈക്ക് ഐ തിങ്ക് ഈസ് ബോംബെ, അവർക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവും ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് നോട്ട് ഫ്രം കേരള. സോ in my thought process, more than singing and more than all that, मेरा feeling होता था कि मैं क्या बात करूं. I can't go on talking in English. They won't then be with me. They won't get that one-on-one feeling. Abhi, for example, I'll give you a big example. There's one person who has messaged me here. You talk in Hindi. You talk in Malayalam, then why are you talking in Hindi? So I have come. So I have come from your page, but there are a lot of people who thinks that maybe I'm live in my page, my Instagram page, and then why is he talking in Hindi and why is he talking in English? So so they have that feeling कि नहीं यार ये अपना बंदा है, यार तू हमारा बंदा है, तू
अपनापन होता है,
एक अपनापन होता है. So so in my live performances I kind of ये सब प्रिपरेशन मुझे ज्यादा करना पड़ता है कि मैं मलयालम में कुछ गलत नहीं बोल दूं.
बट नहीं, अभी आपको ना वो स्टेटमेंट बोलना ही नहीं है कि मलयालम में गलत नहीं बोल दूं. आपको ये बोलना है आई स्पीक प्रॉपर मलयालम. देखो मेरे से तो काफी अच्छा मलयालम तुम बोल लेते हो, ये मुझे पता है. एंड आई डिड മലയാളം പറയുന്ന സമയത്ത് എന്തേലും നമ്മള് വാരിക്കാട്ടി പറഞ്ഞാല് നമ്മളെ ശരിക്കും അവര് വാരും അല്ലേ, അങ്ങനെയല്ലേ ആൾക്കാര്. സോ ഐ വാസ് സോ സ്കേർഡ് ആൻഡ് ദെൻ ഐ വെന്റ് ഓൺ ടു ദ സ്റ്റേജ് ടു ഇൻട്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ദ ബ്രൈഡ് ആൻഡ് ദ ഗ്രൂം. ഇറ്റ് വാസ് എ മാസ്റ്റർ ഓഫ് സെറമണി ആൻഡ് മലയാളത്തിൽ എല്ലാം പറഞ്ഞു, നന്നായിട്ട് പറഞ്ഞു. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞ് സംബഡി ജസ്റ്റ് മെസ്സേജ് മീ ആൻഡ് സെഡ്, വിജി നിനക്ക് ഇത്രയും മലയാളം അറിയാവുന്ന എനിക്കറിയത്തില്ലായിരുന്നു. I said, എനിക്ക് സ്വന്തം അറിയത്തില്ലായിരുന്നു എനിക്ക് ഇത്രയും മലയാളം അറിയാം. So it is all about getting into the zone, Once there is a particular method that we do. For example, for me, Anthony Robbins is my idol. So in the field of inspirational speaking. So if I have to go for a session and I'm a little nervous and it's a new thing or something like that, I just get into the zone and I think I am Anthony Robbins. So if it was Anthony Robbins, what would be his emotions? What would be the first statement you would say? So when you go to Kerala next time, you just think that you are in that munda and shirt and you are the typical Mammootty or Mohanlal, whichever style you like, and you padavadaanu Malayalam anghu paranju povum. മനസ്സിലായോ?
Yes, I'll definitely keep this in mind.
So
we can understand that, but ma'am, see, some Veena is like, we can understand that, but ma'am, love.
Veena, I'll explain it to you afterwards. मुझे जाने दो, flow में मजा आ रहा है. In Comedy TV, once you had said, I'll go a little fast now because we have, I think, 10-15 minutes more. So Comedy TV, one time you had mentioned that I am not made for relationship. I think it was one of this that A Day with Rockstar Siddharth Menon.
Okay.
So that girl was, the interviewer was asking you about relationships and things like that. So he said, I think I'm too good for relationships, and I just can't date somebody. Remember that?
Yes, yes, yes. True, true, true. That is
So
very
I
true, ma'am. That is very true. Actually, it's
But
very
I think
difficult for
now
me.
the equations have changed. Not you are married now.
Yeah, no, no. The thing, I think she the problem that I had, it was very difficult for me to hate someone. Even if that person, there will be people around you saying that, अरे यार वो ऐसे बोलता है तेरे बारे में, तू क्यों उसके बारे में ऐसे ऐसे करता है? Why do you go and मैं बोलता नहीं यार, उसको जो बोलना है बोलने दे. I don't, मेरे लिए वो वैसे ही है. I अभी भी वैसे ही है. Like it's
True.
not only with girls. The relationship thing was not only girl boy wala relationship. The thing that I meant was, let it be anyone. It is very difficult for me to hate anyone actually. So that is something, I don't know. I think that is inbuilt. I don't know. Still, I am very bad in doing that. Even if I know that that person is bitching about me somewhere else, or talking bad about me somewhere else, because वो ये सब चीज होता रहता है in the industry. ये थोड़ा बहुत सामने कुछ अलग दिखाना,
होता ही है.
पीछे कुछ
जिस
होते
पेड़
रहता
पे
है हर
फल
जगह.
है, हाँ, जिस
Yeah,
पेड़ पे
yeah.
फल है उसी को तो पत्थर मिलता है ना.
Yes, yes,
जिस
yes.
पेड़ पे
So that's
फल है
what. So
उसी को
why
पत्थर मिलता है.
किसी को पत्थर मिलता है?
तो मैं
So
फटाफट पूछती हूँ आपको.
हाँ, yeah,
I'll come to the rapid fire session, but before that,
okay,
whenever I see your pictures with your wife Tanvi, and
okay.
देख के ऐसा एक फीलिंग आता है कि मेड फॉर ईच अदर वाला फीलिंग. सो एक सोल कनेक्ट लगता है आपका. सो आई फील के एक गाना है कल्याणम मूवीज में, कल्याणम मूवी में, जो व्हाट इज दैट, पंडे नी एनिल
Unde.
Ennilunde, right? So was it
Yeah,
like
yeah.
that for you and Tanvi?
Not exactly. Actually, we both were friends. I mean, we still are friends. I
And
know her
continue that.
since my I know her since my youth festival days, and so it's
Okay.
been like, I think maybe 12 years. I think that
Wow.
we knew each other before getting married. So it was more of being good friends and getting married. So our Pande ni Ennilunde is not something
No,
we
no, no,
go.
no, 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 no. It is not that. It's like you see, कभी कभी ऐसा होता है ना, एक कनेक्ट होता है जिससे हमको ऐसे लगता है कि मैं इस इंसान को पहले से ही जानती हूँ.
Mm.
That kind of a feeling के
Yeah.
oh, I know it, and that connect is fast. It's like
Yeah, yeah.
ऐसे.
I always felt about her that she is a female version of me. So वो एक कनेक्ट था. वो एक कनेक्ट था. मतलब मैं जैसे सोचता हूँ, she thinks
हाँ.
exactly the same way. Like her thought process also. मतलब lot of times it happens कि हम लोग, like, we both don't even have to express or say anything to each other. Like
Right,
just a
right.
look,
And you know
वो
what
एक
he
look में,
means, what she means.
या पता चल जाता है कि क्या ओके. वैसे. So it had happened before also during the youth festival days कि our viewpoints were same. तो बहुत कुछ similarities है हमें. So
Okay.
yeah, ये definitely मुझे लगा है.
तो 2 लाइन हो जाए उस गाने की for all the
Sure, sure.
Malayalam viewers. മലയാളം
Yeah, for
കേരളത്തിൽ നിന്ന്
them.
കാണുന്നവര്, ദുബായിൽ നിന്ന് കാണുന്നവര് എല്ലാവർക്കും വേണ്ടി
എല്ലാവർക്കും വേണ്ടി.
സിദ്ധാർത്ഥ്
And
മേനൻ.
also എല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരു namaskaram and hi to all the Malayalam, like my people, because there are a lot of people who are telling me to say hi, and also hi to each and everyone out there, and thank you so much for being here. Thank you. So yeah, so
Yeah.
പണ്ടേ നീ എന്നിലുണ്ടേ, പണ്ടേ നീ എന്നിലുണ്ടേ, പെണ്ണേ നീ ഉള്ളിലുണ്ടേ, വല്ലാതെ പൊള്ളുന്നുണ്ടേ കനലൊളിയേ, എൻ കൺകോണിലെ കവിതകളിൽ പൊൻസങ്കൽപ്പമായി ഞാനുണരേ, തീരാറാവിൽ താരാട്ടിൽ സ്വരമഴ നീ, പണ്ടേ നീ എന്നിലുണ്ടേ, പെണ്ണേ നീ ഉള്ളിലുണ്ടേ, വല്ലാതെ പൊള്ളുന്നുണ്ടേ കനലൊളിയേ.
Now I understood when you said that you have a high scale. I'm not a
Okay.
Tansen, but I'm a Tansen.
Okay.
That was beautiful, beautiful.
Thank you.
Thanks for viewing, and I'm sure you've had a good time. Like, comment, subscribe, and share as much as possible so that others too can be enlightened. We'll be happy to bring you more and more videos. And if you have any queries with regards to personal development and personal growth, do write to us at seminarbiji@gmail.com or message us on 8355 824 990. I win when you win. God bless.